today I'm reacting to Demon Slayer Season 2, Episode 3, and I know... Let's go, Demon Slayer! Okay, now I heard something. I heard you can actually die in your sleep if you have like a dream that will actually trigger like a heart attack. Not sure how real that is, but that's a little scary thinking about it. Or like someone said if you die in your dreams, you'll die in real life. I don't know though. Whose dream are we gonna enter first? I think this is a little different. I don't know. Oh. Please add more to this one. I want to see more of their dream. Well, Zenitsu's dream. Zenitsu? Oh gosh. This is just... Gosh, the stupid laughter. No, really? I wanted more of that one. Inosuke's dream is just like freaking weird. This was really weird. The monster train. Yay! Gosh, so that's pretty much the same. Darn it. I wanted like more of their silly dreams, but maybe more of Rengoku's. To be fair, I can't remember like everything about the movie, so I don't really notice what's new and what's not, if there is any. It's sad how happy he is, like he's smiling and everything. I just want to like smack his dad right there. Gosh, they're all just like copy paste. It's pretty cute. I wonder if he'll be important in the future. The show. His brother? This is so darn sad. This is actually painful. I wish we could protect him. I'm blinded. My tears blinding my eyeball. Get out of there. I feel like my realm would be just full of like all these Chad husbandos. And a lot of Dofi. They would protect me from someone killing me in my own dream. At least I hope so. Feel a disturbance. A disturbance in the force. Oh yeah! I remember. He like chokeholds her and it's like super sexy. I'm just like... I love that. I love how he just does that in his sleep. Super Chad. The best part is like, he just holds it too. He's just sitting there choking the girl. I really feel like in between Rengoku's and Tanjiro's, they should have mixed Zenitsu's and Inosuke's, like, so it's not just like a cry fest. Like, you're already emotional after seeing the Rengoku stuff. Did they cut out a part? I feel like there was something that you see him realize that, like, he's in trouble. Or maybe not. Because that feels weird how he just, like... Well, I guess your subconscious could sense danger. But I swear there was something before that. Maybe. I think the most epic moment about like him getting out of the dream is like what he does, because that was insane. Seeing that again will be like, because it like caught me off guard in the movie when I saw it. I'm like, oh, that's dark. Oh, that's so gross. Like the oh, she just needs a hug. I guess someone that lost their family. This is just. Not gonna lie though, that sounds kind of boring. But at least he would have his family. The fact that he didn't, like, well, obviously looking back would be so hard. This just makes my, like, heart just drop. Then the little brother just, like, going. And he's like, don't. But they're just like illusions, so they're not like real. This one like tripped me out because I'm like, this reminds me of like the Windows wallpaper or like the screensaver. Well, Rengoku's choking out a girl right now, and Tanjiro's like, they're pretty smart. Tanjiro, do it, Tanjiro. This is so intense. Like, did we? I think we did see his father. I don't think I could do this. Terrifying. This is so dark. I could never. Who could do this? Like, because you don't know if you actually would wake up. They don't show it, but damn, that... Honestly, should have expected it to end there, because it's like, oh no, did he die? What? Intense. Okay, there's obviously gonna be a little thingy at the end. Oh. I thought it was gonna be like, okay, thanks, Daddy. Okay, again, pretty sure. Things. And as always, I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Stay fresh, my.